Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make this Chinese style roast chicken. Sounds a little bit strange, but I'll tell you what, this is worth it. The flavour is amazing. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is make up a marinade. I'm adding in 2 teaspoons worth of ginger paste. Right, put that into a bowl. I'm going to add in half a teaspoon's worth of a good quality Chinese 5-spice, 1 tablespoon's worth of hoisin sauce, right, a good quality one, maybe just a little bit more because I'm greedy and I love hoisin. I'm also going to add in 2 tablespoons worth of oyster sauce, right, maybe just a little bit more again because I just love oyster sauce. Okay, I'm also going to add in a teaspoon's worth of caster sugar. That's going in like that. 1/4 teaspoon's worth of white pepper. Okay, and I'm going to add in a tablespoon's worth of Zhaoxing wine, Chinese rice wine. If you don't have that, use a little bit of dry sherry, and about a tablespoon's worth of vegetable oil. Right, that can go in. Now we're going to give all of that a good mixing mix, just like that, and that is going to be our marinade. Alright, so we've got a couple of different processes for this Chinese style roast chicken, and this is the I think it's the important one. Really gives you that amazing flavour. Once that is mixed through, put that aside. Let's make up our glaze. 2 tablespoons worth of honey. I'm just going to use a store-bought honey. I'm going to leave my good honey for a different recipe again. Tablespoons worth of Zhaoxing wine. Okay, a tablespoon's worth of black vinegar. If you don't have black, just use a good vinegar, and a good big pinch of salt. And I'm in a big pinch of salt. Give all that a bit of a stir like that. That will eventually all come together. Okay, so just keep stirring that through. Again, if you don't have black vinegar, you can actually get away with like a good red wine vinegar. I'm going to cut my chicken, and I'm just cutting straight down through the backbone either side, just like that, using a pair of poultry shears and scissors. Sometimes these poultry shears don't want to stay together. They seem to need requiring adjustment from time to time. Turn your chicken over and spread it out, right? Just like that. Give it a bit of a heart massage just to flatten that out, because that is exactly what we want. Now the next step I'm going to do, I'm not doing this on camera, but what I've got is boiling water. I've put that over the sink, and I've poured boiling water all over the top of that, and that's going to make that skin really nice and tight. And all we have to do now is pat it dry, make sure the armpits are dry, just like I'm doing right there. I'm going to turn that chicken over. I'm going to start spooning in that marinade that we made. We are marinating this one from the inside out. Sounds a little strange, but it does work, trust me. Right, so make sure we get that marinade through every little crevice that we possibly can. Right, just spoon that in, just keep layering that up. Now yes, some of that marinade is going to fall off while we're giving it its particular rested time, but don't worry, we've got plenty of flavour into there. Tuck the wings under the legs as best as you can, and if they want to pop out, just force them in there. Right, we're going to make this nice and flat, and don't worry if you get a little bit of that marinade on the skin of the chicken. It's not going to matter too much. Now that glaze that we've made, we're going to paint that all over the skin of the chicken, just like that. And if our bird is not cooperating, make it cooperate. Right, just make it sit as flat as it possibly can. So just keep painting that on, just like that. Really nice and simple. Now this glaze is sweet and salty. It's just got this amazing flavour when this thing is done. That is going into the fridge. I'm leaving that uncovered in the refrigerator for 24 hours. Alright, time to cook. Oven's already sitting at 180 degrees. I'm going to use a bit of spray oil over the top, just like that. And I've got a new can of spray oil that just does not want to work. It comes out like, I don't know, something else. That's going in the oven until it's done, probably around about an hour 20-ish, and we've got an internal temperature 74 degrees Celsius, and look at the colour that we have on that bird. Isn't that amazing? Now I'm going to make up some I'm going to cover that for about 10-15 minutes or so, just so it can rest, and I'm going to make up some lotus root chips. Just slice lotus root, put it in the deep fryer, toss it through a bit of salt, pepper and some scallion, and we're going to serve our chicken up once we've cut it up, just like that. How easy was that to do? Obviously try and make this one at home. It does taste amazing, and if you don't want to cut it up into little chunks like this, we'll just cut it up the way you want to. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get another KP's Kingdom out there. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make a nice Asian inspired fusion type dish like this one, we need to come and join the family. My family, hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat my Chinese style roast chicken, and I will catch you next time. Bye.